Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of labor unions. Very important topic related to economics. A labor union is a group of workers who join together to negotiate with their employer for better working conditions, wages, benefits, and job security. This is the definition of labor union. The concept of labor unions is a key aspect of industrial relations in economics, as unions play a crucial role in representing the interest of workers in the workplace. The main objectives of labor unions are: first one is negotiating better wages and benefits for their members. Second one is improving working conditions and job security. Third one is protecting workers' rights and advocating for fair treatment in the workplace. Fourth one is representing workers in negotiations with employers and in legal proceedings. Fifth one is providing a collective voice for workers and promoting the interest of their members. In economics, the concept of labor unions is important in understanding the role of workers in the labor market and the impact of unions on the determination of wages and working conditions. In summary, labor unions are organizations of workers who join together to negotiate with their employers for better working conditions, wages, benefits, and job security. They play a crucial role in representing the interest of workers in the workplace and have a significant impact on the functioning of the economy.